Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore spaces that nurture the soul and inspire the imagination. Today, we're embarking on a journey through dream bedrooms, personalized sanctuaries tailored to different personalities and lifestyles. Your bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's a refuge, a place to recharge, and a reflection of your innermost self. As we explore these unique spaces, imagine how your perfect bedroom might look and feel. Are you ready to discover the sanctuary that speaks to your heart? Let's begin our adventure in personal space design. Before we dive into these dreamy bedrooms, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you inspiring content about creating spaces that truly resonate with who you are. Now, let's explore these personalized havens together. Picture a space where serenity reigns supreme. Welcome to the Minimalist's haven. In this bedroom, clean lines and a neutral palette create a sense of calm the moment you enter. Imagine smooth, white walls complemented by light wood accents. A platform bed with crisp white linens serves as the focal point, uncluttered by excess pillows or throws. Storage is cleverly concealed, maintaining the room's sleek aesthetic. A single piece of abstract art adorns one wall, its subtle colors harmonizing with the room's peaceful ambiance. This space appeals to those who find peace in simplicity and order. It's perfect for the person who wants to shed the day's chaos and enter a realm of pure tranquility. In this minimalist sanctuary, every item has a purpose, allowing the mind to truly rest and reset. Now, let's step into a world where imagination knows no bounds. The creative's inspiration den. Envision walls awash in a palette of vibrant hues, perhaps a rich teal or warm terracotta. An eclectic mix of furniture tells a story of artistic exploration. A vintage writing desk, a modern easel, a cozy reading chair upholstered in a bold, patterned fabric. The bed, draped in layers of textured linens and colorful throws, invites both rest and daydreaming. Shelves display a curated collection of books, sculptures, and curiosities gathered from creative adventures. This bedroom is a haven for those whose minds are always buzzing with ideas. It's designed to stimulate creativity, even in moments of repose, ensuring that inspiration can strike at any time. In this space, self-expression is celebrated, and the imagination is always welcome to roam free. Imagine a room where stories come to life and literary worlds await. Welcome to the Bookworm's cozy nook. Picture walls lined with floor-to-ceiling bookshelves, creating a personal library around a cozy sleeping space. A plush window seat, piled high with cushions, offers the perfect spot for reading with natural light streaming in. The bed, nestled in an alcove, feels like a secret hideaway. Warm, amber-toned reading lamps cast a gentle glow, perfect for late-night page-turning sessions. A soft, oversized area rug adds warmth underfoot. This bedroom is a paradise for those who find comfort in the written word. It's designed for the person who sees books as old friends and reading as a form of travel. In this literary haven, every night can end with a new adventure, and mornings can begin with the promise of unexplored stories. Let's immerse ourselves in a space where the outdoors comes inside. The nature lover's oasis. Imagine a room bathed in natural light from large windows or a skylight. The color palette mirrors the great outdoors, soothing greens, earthy browns, and sky blues. Plants of all sizes bring life to every corner, from hanging ferns to a majestic indoor tree. The bed, crafted from reclaimed wood, is dressed in organic cotton and linen. A living wall of succulents serves as a natural artwork and air purifier. The gentle sound of a small indoor fountain creates a serene ambiance. This bedroom is a retreat for those who feel most at peace when connected to nature. It's designed for the person who wants to wake up to birdsong and fall asleep under a canopy of leaves. In this natural sanctuary, the stress of urban life melts away, replaced by the soothing rhythms of the natural world. As we conclude our journey through these personalized bedroom sanctuaries, take a moment to reflect on which elements resonated with you. Perhaps you were drawn to the serenity of the minimalist's haven, the vibrancy of the creative's inspiration den, the comfort of the bookworm's cozy nook, the innovation of the tech enthusiast's smart suite, or the tranquility of the nature lover's oasis. We hope this tour of dream bedrooms has inspired you to reimagine your own personal space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might be looking for bedroom design inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our latest videos on creating spaces that truly reflect your personality and lifestyle. Hit that notification bell too, so you never miss an upload. We'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. Which of these bedroom styles resonated with you the most? Do you have any unique ideas for personalizing your own sleep space? Your feedback and ideas help us create content that's most valuable to you and might even inspire future videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey through dream bedrooms. Until next time, may your personal space be a perfect reflection of you, nurturing your well-being and inspiring your dreams. Sweet dreams and happy designing.